Hi, my name is Derek Murphy. I used to be a book designer, but more recently I've been writing and publishing my own books, which gives me a lot more time to travel and focus on my writing. So behind me is Kapellburg, which we actually rented for NaNoWriMo. It's a 12th century fortress. So that's really exciting. We've been working on some books here with a few other authors. But I wanted to tell you, since I'm not working with clients anymore, I've put together a bunch of book cover design templates and tutorials to teach you how to make your own book covers if you want to try to do that. And so if you sign up on my list, I'll send you some free videos and training materials and templates that you can use to try to design your own books. It is not easy to design your own books, but in some circumstances, I know that not everybody wants to spend a lot of money on a professional designer. And I want to help more people publish, even if you don't have a huge budget and you just want to put something out there to see how it goes. So I will continue to be adding more templates and resources to the DIY book covers site. And that's kind of just something I do on the side to try to help more authors. So I hope this video helps, and sign up if you want to. Bye-bye.